Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be going through Get My Parking Admin Portal, which is the one-stop shop for parking admin for managing and controlling their parking asset remotely from anywhere in the world. Let me brief you about the revenue report. Get My Parking provides fairly comprehensive revenue report which can help you to determine the check-in and check-out data, the real-time transaction, the revenue collected, the pass based or season pass based report, and each and every report provided by Get My Parking is customizable at any point of time. Coming back to the admin portal, Get My Parking admin portal is able to control, manage, and configure any parking remotely. Let me start with first module called Overview List. This module helps you to configure a company parking to define the different business rules around it and configure the parking remotely. Once the configuration of the parking is done, the parking admin can actually add a pass to it. That pass can be valid in very different specific time as well as different parking. The user operator module helps the parking admin to add a new dashboard or new admin user to use the admin portal. Tariff module helps to create and manage the tariff. You can search a specific parking lot, see the different tariff available, and make the specific tariff as a default tariff. The corporate module helps you to create a different corporate partnership which can have a specific tariff or a specific pass that can only be allowed for that partnership. You can add a corporate partnership here and configure it. On the users, you can onboard different users as we have seen in our corporate consumer video. You can onboard different user and those users can use the consumer app to access the specific privilege given to the corporate. The same admin portal is used to configure the gate kit, which is called enable. You can select this specific parking and configure the gate kit around that parking. You can also configure different devices such as RFID, ANPR remotely from the dashboard itself. You can also configure the value-added services which can be available just like car wash on a specific parking. With the image verification module, a user can manually confirm the correct image in and out of the ANPR request coming to the parking. This can be used to verify the correct check-in image and check-out image. The most important part of the dashboard is consumer support. This admin portal actually helps the consumer support to see the user detail, manage the users, as well as open the barrier from them remotely if they are stuck into a parking. Let's say the user is stuck to a parking and he or she is not able to enter the car park. The consumer support executive can create the session on user's behalf, and if the user has not entered, the consumer support user can also start a session for that user. In the car park submodule, you are able to see specific logs, that is the session logs coming out of the parkings. You can see what all requests are coming out of that specific parking in different time duration. As I can see, there are total 2 requests only. I can also see sessions going on inside a parking and their status. I can go in my account and have a look at the basic detail, uh, the activity that I'm doing, And if I want to change the password, I can go and change the password also. That's all from the dashboard size, guys. Thank